All right, this is the dedicated downhill in North Canyon, Bountiful, Utah. Haven't been on it this year. Hopefully it's in good shape. This trail's a ton of fun. Got these whoops, some jumps on it, features, really cool like intricacies around some trees. Some stumps you gotta watch out for, like those. There's always a couple pedal grabbers here. Oh yeah, look at that. Yes. Marbly there. I'd rather have it be loose than marbly. Marbly's like when you got a bunch of like loose rocks on top of hard dirt. At least that's what I call it. I don't know. Yeah. Oh, look at that little pump. Yes. Nice. Oh, yeah. Hell yeah. Nice. They got some cool jumps built in this thing. It's a blast. This one actually can be shuttled because there is a road that leads up here. I don't know if people do it. Oh, no, I don't know if people do it or not, but there's a dirt road. You could definitely use some shuttling on this thing if you wanted. Oh, I should have done that one. Forgot what that was. A little up and over. Gonna turn that into a jump. Whew. Now watch your pedals. Score. A lot of little grabbers out here. Just want to get you. Nice. Oh man, I need to come to this trail on a rain day. It just rained. And they did a fantastic job on this trail. Kudos to the trail builder. It's just so good. Look at how awesome it is. Woo. Yeah. Yeah, buddy.